The collections aging dashboard is the view your CFO wants to see first. Total past due balances across 30, 60, 90, and 120 days, plus total amount outstanding and average days to pay, all refreshed in real time. But as a collections manager overseeing Biotech and Medtech accounts, you need more than a balanced snapshot. You need to manage how your team is performing. That's where the collections management dashboard comes in. At a glance, you can see your total outstanding balance, how much your team has recovered this month, and the current mix of collection statuses across every open case. You can click on any of the blue links anywhere in CloudCollect to drill into the underlying information. For example, the status report of the open collection actions, the caseload across your team, broken out by status, so you can see exactly which ones are working, which are promises to pay, and which have already been escalated. Back on the dashboard, you can monitor your team's workload directly. How many collection actions are open, how many are sitting in the queue, and how much each agent has recovered this month, which gives you a clear read on individual performance. A breakdown of open actions by owner shows you exactly where the workload is concentrated, so you can rebalance assignments before someone falls behind. The top accounts list ranks customers by outstanding balance, giving you immediate visibility into which customers carry the most risk. And collections, stage by value, breaks down exactly where your dollars sit. From reminder notices to bankruptcy to outside collection agency referral, so you can see whether your team's strategy matches the portfolio's needs. Let's take a closer look at one of these accounts. Clicking Mistral Biotech brings up everything you need on a single screen. Its full past due breakdown and exactly how the account is assigned. It's part of Team Region 1, and because of an active bankruptcy proceeding, it's also been routed to the bailiff in District 3. Just below, its credit information gives you a quick read on risk at a glance. If a customer needs a different specialist, you don't have to leave the record to make it happen. Right at the top, you can see the current customer owner, Herman James. Click the small icon beside his name. Choose a new owner, and CloudCollect transfers the account's open collection actions and can send a notification email to the new owner automatically, all in a single step. Back on the collections management dashboard, percent of promises kept gives you a clear read on how reliable those commitments really are. Everything you need to coach your team and report up to leadership in one place. These are just a few examples of how CloudCollect gives you the visibility you need to lead your collections team effectively. Please visit our website to learn more and request a personalized CloudCollect walkthrough.